Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the JSON file and Excel ready. Start by confirming the file is valid JSON so Excel can parse it without errors. Once done, open a blank workbook and note your Excel version because menus differ slightly. Now choose the import path, data get data, or legacy from JSON if available. Selecting Power Query gives more control. Make sure you know whether you want a static table or a refreshable query connection, because that choice affects later steps and data refresh behavior. You now load the JSON into Power Query. Go to Data, get data from File from JSON. Once Power Query opens, use into Table or the built-in JSON document parser to expose records. Then expand the list and record columns with the expand icon to flatten nested structures. Use transform steps like expand, duplicate column, convert to table, and replace values to normalize fields. Because JSON often has arrays and nested objects, deliberately expand and promote headers, so the dataset becomes a clean columnar table. Finish by choosing Close and Load to place the transformed data into Excel, or choose Load to if you want a connection-only query for scheduled refresh. Once loaded, set refresh options and enable background refresh if needed so the table updates automatically. If something goes wrong, first validate JSON syntax and check for huge single-line files that cause timeouts. Splitting or compressing can help. Also verify you expanded all nested fields correctly and that data types were set to avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.